Okay, the moment everybody's been waiting for. Finally got the drone footage downloaded so we can start making videos using footage from the drone. This is from early summer 2023. As you can see, the skid steer is doing some collecting of logs and piling. This was a pretty tangled mess of poplar and aspen trees that were very, very hard, and they were hard to mulch too. So we decided to mulch trails and then put on the grapple and pick the logs up and stack them so they could be burned. Took a little while to do, but it worked out really well. It's nice to have the option of using the mulcher when we need it and then putting the grapple on and using the grapple when it's appropriate. We do have a fair bit of drone footage from last summer and early this winter, so we'll make sure we get that put together in a proper video. The drone is a great tool to help show the size and scale of things that happen out on the farm. And it gives a new perspective, which is always nice. It's so much fun to look back on these videos and see where we started and how much we've accomplished in just a short summer. And as this video is being posted, it is the first week of the new year, and we're going through seed catalogs and planning and anticipating and looking forward to the summer to come. As we're going across the field here, you can see where the first corn crop was planted. That's what the plastic row covers are. No, this is kind of a short video. There will be a more complete aerial view of the farm in an upcoming video. We sure do appreciate everybody watching the videos, subscribing if you like what you see. And on that note, we hope to see everybody here next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.